But you cannot be scared or afraid to fly. I told you that they did not study the depth of the ocean until 239 people crashed in it. Y'all missed that. I said they did not study the depth of the ocean until 239 people crashed in it. So in other words, they did not find out how deep the ocean was until they lost 239 people. Oh my God, listen to this. Sometimes you won't find out how deep God is until you lose some people. Yes, Lord. You see, some of y'all are at a point now where you can say, I didn't get close to God until some people left me. I didn't get close to God until some people walked away. I would have never known God to be a heart fixer. Had somebody broken my heart. I would have never found out if nobody played with my mind that He is a mind regulator. And there's somebody in the building who knows that you ought to give Him glory and give Him praise. Because you can say that I didn't find out how deep He was until somebody left me. There is something in all planes. There is something in all planes called a black box. How many of you heard of that? It's called a black box. It's called a black box. And the thing that a black box does is that it records the voice of the pilot. It records the voice of the pilot. And the reason that they use a black box to